Hello everyone, I am here with a new mathematical problem, 5 minus 10 times 5 minus 10. 5 minus 10 will be equal to minus 5 times 5 minus 10 will be equal minus 5 minus times minus will be plus, and 5 times 5 will be equal to 25. So 25 will be our answer, but remember that it is the wrong answer. Now we follow order of operation. First of all, we will solve parentheses according to PEMDAS rule. Parentheses will be solved first, then exponent, then multiplication, then division, then addition, then subtraction. So 5 minus 10 will be solved first. So we will get 5 minus 5 times 5 minus 10 will be equal to minus 5. Okay? Now we will solve multiplication plus. So 5 minus times minus will be equal to plus. 10 times 5 will be equal to 50. So 5 plus 5 plus 50 will be equal to 55, which will be our correct answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.